Now let's look at a more advanced example, generating the Fibonacci sequence up to n terms. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of two preceding ones, usually starting with 0 and 1. In our Python project, I'm going to create a new Python file and name it Fibonacci. Def Fibonacci. And I will start with base case. So if n is lower or equals 1, we're going to return n. And now let's code a recursive case. Else return Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. As I said, the Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of two preceding ones. So in our case, n minus 1 and n minus 2. Okay, let's try to execute our code. Terms 10. If n terms is lower equals 0, this is positive teacher. Else print Fibonacci sequence for e in range and terms print Fibonacci I. Okay, we can modify this code a little bit and this number. Okay, let's try to execute our code. Done. And we can see the Fibonacci sequence.